1. Press the setting button on the interior handle once. The lock will activate the fingerprint recording mode. You will be asked to scan your fingerprint. 2. Follow the voice prompts and scan your fingerprint 6 times on scanner till you hear and fingerprint as successed in. 3. If you finish the fingerprint setting, press the setting button once again to close fingerprint recording mode. You can use your fingerprint to unlock your door now. One. Press the setting button on the interior handle once. The lock will activate the fingerprint recording mode. You will be asked to verify the administrator fingerprint first. 2. Follow the voice prompts and scan your fingerprint 6 times on scanner till you hear and fingerprint as successed in. 3. If you want to continue to add your fingerprint, follow the voice prompts again. 1. The first 2 fingerprints will be added as administrator. When the first 2 administrator fingerprints have been recorded, adding any new fingerprints will be regarded as normal user fingerprint. 2. After one fingerprint is added success, you can choose to continue record your fingerprint, or press the setting button to close the fingerprint recording mode. 3. Adding any normal user fingerprints have to verify the administrator fingerprint first. In the passage mode, you can open your door lock without scanning your fingerprint. Use your administrator fingerprints, and to unlock the lock then press the setting button once. Passage mode activate. Use your administrator fingerprints, and to unlock the lock, wait till the door lock again, then the passage mode is disabled.
Passage mode is disabled. Unlock. Lock.
In the secure lock mode, you can only use the administrator's fingerprint and to unlock the door lock.
Unlock.
Press the setting button twice in any time, then you will hear secure lock is enabled and secure lock mode activate.
Secure lock is enabled. The door is locked. The door is locked. Unlock. Lock.
Press the setting button twice in any time, then you will hear and secure lock is disabled and secure lock mode shut down.
Unlock.
Press the setting button on the interior handle 3 times. Verity administrator fingerprint, then follow the voice prompts, and press the fingerprint which you want to delete it.
You want to delete. Delete it succeed. Now input the fingerprint you want to delete. Unlock.
Press the setting button on the interior handle 4 times.
Lock. Voices off.
Press the setting button on the interior handle 4 times.
Voice is on. Unlock. Lock.
Press the setting button on the interior handle 5 times.
Battery, middle, version 122.
Long press setting button on interior handle for 6 seconds when the lock is hibernation, until you hear prompt, and please long press the setting button to initialize and remove your finger, and long press setting button 5 seconds again.
Press the setting